Hey, welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports. Okay, so now we're taking a look at a 16-inch McCulloch MacCat chainsaw. Great little chainsaw. Chain will need sharpening before use. How does it run? Well, let's find out. Click on the link below for pictures and details, or to buy this saw right now for $119.99 plus shipping anywhere in the US. You heard it. You heard it right. $119.99 plus shipping puts this saw on your doorstep faster than you can say chainsaw. Well, I know you just said chainsaw, so don't wait. Don't hesitate. Pull the trigger and buy at a price that's so low, you think you stole it. Vintage King Motorsports, where quality and price always matters most.